This rollout marks the first step toward the commercialization of the H2-powered equipment in the country. Doosan Bobcat was pleased to announce its hydrogen forklift pioneering commercialization achievement at its forklift factory in Incheon, South Korea, during a ceremony held on January 30th. Doosan Bobcat is the first to have a commercially viable product ready for shipment. While the company is not the first to introduce prototype hydrogen forklifts in the industry, it is the first to have completed the development of its H2 forklift and have a commercially viable product that is ready to be shipped. The hydrogen forklift developed by Doosan Bobcat is a 3-ton model. The machine features a 20-kilowatt fuel cell and is set to be delivered to the Korea Zinc's Onsan refinery in Ulsan. As Korea's first manufacturer to produce forklifts in 1968, Doosan Bobcat is proud to continue paving the way for the country by commercializing hydrogen fuel cell forklifts, the president of Doosan Bobcat Korea, Hungwon Park, said in a recent news release. "We are committed to actively participating in the expansion of hydrogen mobility as it's a pivotal future energy source in the low-carbon era," he added. The company is exploring hydrogen forklift expansion. Doosan Bobcat has no intention of simply stopping with its most recent achievement. The company is also exploring opportunities to expand the supply of its hydrogen forklift with various companies as well as local governments. This desire to explore expansion opportunities comes from the company's involvement in the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy's pilot project, which aims to develop demonstration-based reliability verification technology for hydrogen fuel cell forklift commercialization. Once Doosan Bobcat has received certification of a 3-ton model with a 10-kilowatt fuel cell later in 2024, it aims to supply 30 hydrogen fuel cell forklifts this year. Additionally, the company intends to expand its hydrogen forklift range. Beyond the 3-ton model, plans for 2-ton and 5-ton models are underway. Furthermore, Doosan Bobcat's hydrogen-based products portfolio isn't limited to hydrogen forklifts. Hydrogen skin steer loaders, among other H2 products, are currently being developed with Doosan Corporation. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe and grab our free H2 ebook for more updates. Also, leave us a comment and let your thoughts